করব রেস ইন ইন্ডিয়াকে নিয়ে। টপিক টু বি ডিসকাসড: concept of race, origin of racial concept, causes of diversity of India, race in India, classification of Sir Howard Risley, classification of B.S. Guho, racial diversity in India, conflicts of race in India, conclusion. Concept of race. রেসটা কি? Race is a social contrast that was created to drive a wedge between people and have been woven into every aspect of our society. Nothing in our genetics shows that there are biological differences that can categorize people. The definition of race has changed over time as those in power of the narrative altered the inspiration in order to suit their own needs. A race is a group identified by a society because of certain biological, inherent physical characteristics. Next হচ্ছে origin of racial concept. In the 18th and 19th century, scientists attempt to divide humans into four major groups: Mongoloid, Caucasoid, Negritoid, and Australoid, and then into more than 30 racial subcategories. In reality, few individuals fit clearly into any of those types. The next, sociology in your social world, provides insight into the origin of racial categories that have had a major impact on history and from the basis for many conflicts today. Next, causes of diversity in India. The diversity in India binds all the cultures, region, particles together. India is one of the most diverse countries found in the world and has the most complex amalgamation of various cultural identities. There are plenty of reasons which contribute towards the diversity in India, which are as follows. Next, A.W. Green say, a race is a large biological human grouping with a number of distinctive inherited characteristics which vary within a certain range. The characteristics that help identify different racial groups include color and texture of hair, quantity and distribution on the body, color of eyes, shape of eyelids, shape of the nose, the lips and the schools, skin color and body height. Racial group in India. Classification of racial group by Sir Howard Risley. According to Sir Howard Risley, India has 7 racial groups: Indo-Aryan, Mongoloid Dravid, Dravidian, Mongoloid, Scytho-Dravidian, Turk-Armenian, Aryan Dravid. Indo-Aryan. These races come from the Central Asia and now they are settled in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, UP, Uttarakhand and Rajasthan. They are tall, have long arms, wide shoulders, strongly built up, an elevated nose. Dravidian. This race has settled in South India, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. They are also found in southern part of MP, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and southern part of Rajasthan. The structure of those people is short to medium height, have dark complexions, dark and curly hair, long head and broad nose. Towards of Nilgiris, Gondwas of Vastar, Santals of Choto Nagpur, Valley of Rajasthan belong to this racial group. They lived in India before the arrival of Aryans and later they mixed with the Aryans. So next slide is shown distribution of Dravidian and distribution of Indo-Aryan. Mongoloid. Next. According to Risley, the Mongoloids are believed to stay in the Himalayas including Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Assam, etc. Medium to short stature, yellowish complexion, flat face, flat nose, black eyes and hair structure is coarse. এদের উদাহরণগুলো হলো খাসিস, টিবেটিয়ানস, চাকমাস fell in this racial group. Aryan Dravid. According to Risley, racial group live in Rajasthan, UP, Bihar. They have brown to dark complexion, long face, short height, medium nose. Next, 5 number বা 5th Mongoloid. The racial group is believed to stay in West Bengal, Odisha. They have dusky complexion, broad and round head, nose is usually medium with a tendency towards flatness. According to Risley, they are the admixture of the Mongolians and the Dravidians. Scytho-Dravidian. Next, these racial groups come from Central Asia and are found in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, UP, Karnataka. They are broad head, low medium structure, fair complexion and medium sized nose. The race is a mixture of the Scythian and the Dravidians. Turk-Iranian. This type include the inhabitants of Afghanistan, Balochistan and northwest frontier province. They have broad head, medium but sharp nose, strongly built up body, tall and fair complexion. Then this map shown racial group in India. Next, classification of racial group by B.S. Guho. According to B.S. Guho, 1931, the racial group is divided into 6 categories. Negritos, Proto-Australoid, Mongoloid, the Mediterranean, the Western Birchcliffs, Nordic. এরপরে নেগ্রিটো, প্রোটো অস্ট্রেলীয়, মঙ্গোলয়েডদের সম্পর্কে আলোচনা করা হয়েছে। এরপরে আমরা সোজা চলে আসছি racial diversity of India. In this map shown Mongoloid, Proto-Australoid, Mediterranean, Dravidian, conflicts of race in India. Racial conflicts, even as situations in which misunderstandings or targeted harassment or discrimination co-occur with or result in actual interpersonal altercation, or emotional or physical distress to the targeted groups based on conclusion. Next, there are several such instances which discrimination against people based on color, race, and ethnicity has been seen. Racism do exist in India. However, we Indians never thought of it as a serious issue. Therefore, it's time that we look into our mind set and try bringing change on an individual level. Thank you.